गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बुकमैप हिंदी चैनल। आप सभी का स्वागत है लाइव स्ट्रीम पर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। जनरल डिस्क्लोजर: all bookmap limited materials, information and presentation are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendation. All right, so आप एक बार से पॉज करके प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस और रिमेनिंग डिस्क्लेमर. All right, and let's move on. हम एक बार हायर टाइम फ्रेम चेक करते हैं, उसके बाद में हम जो है लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पर डिस्कशन कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स डू दिस. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो मार्केट स्लाइटली रिवर्स करने का ट्राई कर रहा है. राइट, वी गॉट 2 or 3 impulsive candles pushing down very aggressively. राइट, लेट्स सी. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं तो अब मार्केट में ये एरिया कुछ 450 के अराउंड जो है एक इंपॉर्टेंट जोन दिख रहा है. 450 के अराउंड. लेट्स सी इफ दे कैन स्टॉप एट दैट प्राइस और मे बी दे विल रीच इट. अगर यहाँ पर ये ब्रेक होता है देन मार्केट कहीं ना कहीं इस जोन के अराउंड आने का कोशिश करेगा, नियर 19,000. right, this is what I can see from the 4 hour, and on daily time frame I think yeah, we have already trying to go on the lower side. तो मार्केट कहीं ना कहीं स्लाइटली लोअर जाने का कोशिश कर रहा है ऑन द हायर टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट्स. एंड लेट्स चेक इट आउट. कोई न्यूज़ है आज? यस, 7:30 PM. सो I think it's not related. Okay, it is related to this consumer confidence, something related to consumer confidence, and 7:30 पर रेड न्यूज़ है. सो देखते हैं मार्केट क्या बिहेवियर करता है. अराउंड 8 PM तक क्लियरिटी हो जानी चाहिए, विच इज 10 AM सेंट्रल न्यूयॉर्क ईस्टर्न टाइम. राइट, लेट्स सी. एंड वेयर डू वी हैव दिस? या, अभी मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है? तो या, वी हैव गॉन पास थ्रू दिस लिक्विडिटी मेजर राउंड नंबर that was 19,500. we transacted into this. काफी सारे जो है सेल बायर्स के स्टॉप लॉसेस गए हैं. एंड इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज कि यहाँ पर कुछ आइसबर्ग भी जो है ट्रेड हुआ है, काफी देर तक होल्ड किया था मार्केट ने. राइट, अगेंस्ट दोज सेल ऑर्डर्स वी गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ आइसबर्ग फिल एंड राइट नाउ ट्राइंग टू होल्ड दिस जोन. लेट्स सी इफ वी कंटिन्यू टू ब्रेक लोअर, जो कि लग रहा है मुझे कंटिन्यू कर सकता है. द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप इज गोइंग टू बी अराउंड 19,448.50 price level. This is going to be a next stop, and below that I don't have any specific level as of now, but I think we can approach 400 mark. Yeah, 400 and then 317. This is all I can see as of now. So let's see, क्या मार्केट कंटिन्यू लोअर ट्रेड करता रहेगा या फिर देयर इज अ स्लाइट चांस वी कैन शो सम साइंस ऑफ होल्ड. बट आई थिंक यहाँ पर एक स्ट्रक्चर मेजर ब्रेक हो रहा है. राइट, एंड विक्स इज ऑल्सो राइजिंग, हायर प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर सेलिंग. लेट्स सी, बट we'll see good moves or a confirmed move after 10 AM. Till then कुछ खास मुझे आइडिया लग नहीं रहा है, because this could be a all fake move going down before they wants to go higher. यहाँ पर look at this, we got a lot of iceberg as well buy side. So this could be a little easily fake. They can easily fake this down move. Right, and in this downward journey near to 500 they have filled iceberg. And what if the market opens up near 7 AM and meaning 9:30 and 7 AM at our time? This can easily go pump through, right, just like now. अभी तक कुछ खास ऐसा कुछ खास स्ट्रक्चर में चेंज नहीं आया. लेट्स सी इफ दे कैन गेट इट अबव 19,000 at least यहाँ पर 30 they need to get it above this structure, you know, at least यहाँ पर इसके ऊपर आना चाहिए. Then we can have some, you know, idea that yeah, it is ready for a bounce back up, and then we can look at it in a different approach. Till now, unless that happening, right, we are still in a sell side mode and it is looking for the selling. But yeah, iceberg is not supporting, you know, iceberg is on the buy side as of now, we can see. And major level पर iceberg ने जो है यहाँ पर transaction किए हैं, which is at this price. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's see. What do they have on there? Okay, with ES, how are we doing? So ES is also trying to bounce back up. All right. Look at this. ES में भी जो है यहाँ पर हमें icebergs काफी ज्यादा दिख रहे हैं. Buy side. Here we got to see a lot of buy icebergs. 304 and 440 was stops they accumulated, and again they accumulated stops. 170 was the buys iceberg against those stops. So let's wait for a break in structure. If we can, you know, mark a structure shift, if we can see some structure shift above this 622.23 mark, then there's a slight chance we can, you know, look for a reversal upside. Okay, 515. limit buyer supporting from the bottom side. That's a good sign. But okay. So again, a dump from exactly the place which from where the selling triggered. Right now, just observing the move because I don't have much of a bias right now. You know, either it breaks this 2730 price level on the higher side, then I can have some slight of a idea that this market is trying to reverse up and we're looking for the higher sides, or else we can break this low and go for the 450 price, and near to that below 400 is another price level that we can aim for. Easily looking for a sell side move. Okay, 6. Okay, buyers are trying again once more. Now, can they defeat these sellers? Can we spot some buyers above these sellers? This is a very crucial area. Sellers are dominating in this zone. Look at this again. Sellers are coming in again. Okay, we held till now. How are we doing with ES? ES looks relatively better for hold, because look at this. From here till here we saw that sell move, rejection, and on ES we did not came closer to the previous low, but with Nasdaq we were very close to the previous low. That is showing Nasdaq has lesser potential for a reversal. If the reversal happens, the higher chances are we'll see that happening first in ES. So that's sort of a divergence in both of the scripts. ES is showing better footsteps for a reversal back up. Interesting. and ES has continuous buyers, iceberg as well. So let's keep an close eye on ES. I'm also looking at Nasdaq components, Nvidia, and Meta's looking really weak. Nvidia is also at the session low. Previous day's low, near to the previous day's low. Now let's see, can they get it above this high or precisely above these highs, which is looking difficult for them. Sellers are much active here, but there's been a slight change. That initial dump, we made a low at this price, right? And then the second attempt, we could not get past this low, right? That is showing there could be some sort of a hold, or there could be some sort of a seller's exhaustion, right? That's how you spot. Sellers tried their first attempt and then they made a low at this price, which was the lowest. And then their second attempt, they were not able to get past beyond this low, which is telling us what? That there is a enough, not there is not enough sell orders in the market to push it lower. And meanwhile, we get to see what buyers, and they are completely dominating, and they are completely trying to hold this market in here, and which is giving us what? A sign that there is a possibility now we can break it higher, and probably we'll try to test this 27 price level. So this is how it is looking like right now. And if we combine this information with our stops and icebergs, we'll get a good confidence, because there was some icebergs in this area, right, which were buy icebergs, And I think with ES as well, we got some buy iceberg in here, and I have marked this right in here. We got I buy iceberg, and here as well we got some buy iceberg, and here as well we got buy iceberg. Again, you see that sudden rise on the blue line, that is showing us buy iceberg in the markets, which is somebody is trying to buy the futures of ES in bulk quantity, which is the pretty significant information for us. Continuous for the second time, we did not go past this price. Let's give it some time, give it some more time. Can they hold it or not? Nvidia is still not showing signs of strength from the bottom, which is not good. No, I would be much more happier if they can show some signs of strength from the bottom side in Nvidia. It would have been much better. Look at this. This is Nvidia, and we are at the lows from the yesterday New York session low, holding at this price. And this is 5-minute chart, and this is not looking good as of now. We shift on to 4 time frame. Still, that is the same story at the head here as well. Not giving me much confidence. Let's see what happens. We'll wait for the market opens up. So Nvidia is not holding. That's not good. Another thing, we have two factors for the positive side. That is one being iceberg being in buyer side, and there's been a lot of holding in this price, and we've been continuously witnessing buyers, coming into this price range and trying to hold this market in here. So that's a good thing. Price action में भी यहाँ पर जो है कुछ अच्छा दिख रहा है. यहाँ पर दूसरा बाय साइड आइसबर्ग हमें दोनों इंडेक्स में देखने मिला है, which is good. So it's more of a 50-50 because VIX is also rising. I don't like that for a bullish side. Rather VIX being the silent or on the sideways or decreasing. That is what I like. But so it's more of a 50-50. Two factors are in support of buyers and two factors are against buyers. So that is why it is a bit difficult to form any bias right now. So it's much better to witness and price action behavior. And probably we'll get much more better opportunities if we can get past this 530, because then the potential on the higher side is also good. We can go as much as 570, 583, and 613. So those are the level on the higher side which can be retested on the higher side. So that's why I'm not really much in a hurry to make any decision as of now. देखते हैं. So market has opened. Okay, how much time is left? Only a minute is left for market opening up, and we are opening slightly gap lower. Mhm. And there we go. Right, as we discussed that we can witness some buying pressure and market might make a bottom at this price because iceberg was there, and but still let's wait and give it some more time because still there are some factors which needs to be you know kept in mind. Okay, right now market has opened up, and let's see what's happening. Okay, Nvidia is not pushing higher as much as I would love to see it, which is not a good sign. Can we break that 125.5 level? Okay, so okay, now Nvidia is showing some sign of strength. Okay, so that's good. Now Nvidia has broken out 125.5. That's a good point. There's been a shift in market structure as well. As we discussed above this price, we will see some sort of a shift in the market structure. Now I just want to see market sustaining above this. Can we see? And ES is doing pretty good compared to relatively NQ. This guy is still holding, and NQ. Okay. I am not in a hurry to make any decision as of now. Let's give it some more time and let the market show what it wants to do. And we have plenty much time, a lot of time. Right after opening, we've been seeing continuously sellers coming into the market. You see this delta, it got reset at this price. And this is interesting. A lot of buy iceberg happening in the Nasdaq, and a lot of buyers getting out as well. This is odd. Okay. Nvidia. $19,500, 523, 30, and there we go. So now we have officially come above this 2030 price. Now this is a market shift structure. we have a gap in the index. So yesterday's settlement price was around 570, and we opened near to what price? 24. Dow is trying to hold. Russell is also trying to hold. And Nvidia has gone a little bit higher. There is a shift in structure in Nvidia, which is good. But again, other components, there is been a slight decline in Google, but it's not that significant. 1% Amazon down, nothing much activity. I think there's been a, there's a news at 7:30. So let's wait till then. I think this is not going to show any of the directional move till then. And prior to news, we had a, good run down. So let's see how this will try to continue the run down, or maybe it'll try to reverse back up. So prior to news, all this move, which has been continuously going down for like 80 to 100 points, from 600 to 500, and now they're consolidating near this price. Let's see. Look at this, guys. NQ is slightly, confused. It wants to break down. It is showing signs, aggressive sellings and all. Let's see. Okay, now ES is also falling. So it's 470. Are we gonna get below this mark? Okay, we made fresh low in NQ. So we can continue this sell move towards 450. So as we expected, market did come down to 450 price, right? As we expected in this zone. And look at this. Why did we expected this? Because of these. You see this 221. These are all what buyers getting stopped out at 450 price. There is a sudden fall in this stops indicator, indicating there's been buyers thrown out of the market at this price, and now we are reversing back towards higher side, probably trying to take out all the sellers who might be residing their stop losses above these highs or maybe at these highs. Let's see, can this continue to uprise, or maybe it will continue its journey on the lower side again from this zone. I think this was the point of control. Yeah, so we have reached the point of control in this, right? And let's see, can they defend point of control? Buyers, sorry, sellers, can they defend this point of control? Right. And do not let pass these buyers beyond this, or else they'll be in the trouble, right? And यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं problem होगा. All these sellers which might be putting their stop losses above this price and maybe these highs, they'll be under trouble, under attack. So let's see. So initially, as we expected market to reverse from these areas, right? We did came higher from the prices, right? And we expected market to make a bottom near this 450 because we were expecting because of few pointers, Nasdaq making higher highs and trying to hold the lows, and that was the first point. Another point was, if we don't go beyond past 450, we might witness some reversal near this point. And also we also witnessed some iceberg, iceberg near these prices. And look at this, from those points we have been up by only how much, 100 points, nearly 550, right? So this is how it turns out in the play, right guys? And that's how you can also do it, we practice along daily. So that is all for today, guys, and probably I'll see you in the next webinar. Till then, have a good day, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for joining in, guys. I appreciate your participation.